Hi, this is Andrew Wellborn with Turquoise Playa Real Estate here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Coming to you from Atsi, which is a complex just north of Playa del Carmen, roughly about 10-minute drive, or roughly about 50-minute walk or bike ride to the beach. We're going to be filming an amazing penthouse in 2 levels, which comes fully furnished or turnkey. It's roughly about 2,000 square feet, 3 bedroom, 3 bath, and it has its own private solarium with an amazing panoramic jungle views and partial ocean view. So have a look at the video, and looking forward to any of your comments and questions below in the description, or contact me directly. Take care and see you soon in Playa del Carmen.